the ICAO, which is the Apex Global Civil Aviation Body, had actually recommended longer runway end safety areas in India's tabletop runways, as multiple probes had found that the tabletop runways in India had a shorter runway end safety area. The other two crashes that had happened on tabletop runways, may I just remind our viewers, was the Mangalore crash and the Kozhikode crash as well. Let me go straight across to Isha, who's joining us on the broadcast. Isha, tabletop runways are some of the most difficult runways in the world to land on. We all recognize that. In this case, aviation's apex body had already warned India's aviation industry and authorities that you need larger areas on these tabletops to land. But it seems no one was listening. Warnings were ignored.
Shreya, definitely this is a matter of probe if the Baramati runway actually did follow those norms. But if we speak of the ICAO norms, it suggests that the runway, especially a tabletop runway, should be from anywhere from between 90 meters to 240 meters. It's also important to note that a tabletop runway is one which is on a plateau, it's on a hill, and there aren't many in India as well. So it is one of the most difficult airports to conduct landing in. It also doesn't have the automatic system for which so it's also important to note that it doesn't have an automatic system for which the pilot can be alerted and the landing can take place automatically. It has to be done manually. So there is absolutely no room for error. And in fact, in this particular incident as well, there were 2 attempts for landing that were made, and 1 attempt was unsuccessful and the second ended fatally. But this was a tabletop runway, and in the past as well, like you were also pointing out, there are 2 incidents that have come to the fore where several warnings were issued, where conversations were had about if there are amends that need to be made on tabletop runways. But again, an incident like this has taken place, and now it is a matter of investigation if the Baramati runway actually followed those rules.
For the moment, thank you very much. As our reporters are pointing out, thank you very much, Madhav and Isha, for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, many questions surrounding the crash that has killed not just Ajit Pawar, but 4 other people who were on board. The pilot, Sumit Kapoor, was an experienced one. He had some 16,000 flying hours under his belt. Was it really low visibility that caused the crash, or was it something else? Even before the probe begins in full earnest, West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has floated a conspiracy theory. She says Ajit Pawar was about to exit the BJP-led Mahayuti in Maharashtra, and that now no opposition neta is safe in India. She essentially is hinting at sabotage. Other leaders like Akhilesh Yadav are echoing her theory and are demanding a Supreme Court-monitored probe.
I came to know that from social network that somebody from other party, they gave a statement that Ajit Pawar is willing to leave the BJP. And now what happened today, I need proper investigation under the supervision of Supreme Court. Only we have the trust on Supreme Court, no other agency. All the agencies are being totally purchased. And really it's a great loss for the country. DGCO को properly monitoring करना चाहिए. बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट हो गया. Enough is enough.
बहुत बड़े नेता थे, डिप्टी सीएम कई बार रहे वो, और महाराष्ट्र के बहुत लोकप्रिय नेता रहे। और अगर ऐसी घटना हो जाए, और आज के समय पे जहां हम इतने जागरूक हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी को इतना समझते हैं चीज़ें, तो उन्होंने ठीक ही मांग की होगी, क्योंकि वीआईपी के साथ इस तरह की घटना न हो। तो एक बार को ये बात तो साफ होनी चाहिए कि आखिरकार ये घटनाएं क्यों हुई। पूर्व में भी कई हमारे वीआईपी इसी तरह उनकी जान गई है। तो आखिरकार ऐसी जांच हो जिससे निष्पक्ष पता लगे कि आखिरकार घटना किस वजह से हुई।
अभी उनका जो देहांत हुआ, मैं समझूंगा कि प्रीमैच्योर डेथ है। जांच तो होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है जो अननेचुरल है। ऐसा हर जगह होना, एक तरफ तो बड़े बड़े जहाज भी, अहमदाबाद के भी बहुत बड़ा एक्सीडेंट। ये तो जो प्लेन था, छोटा प्लेन, वहाँ पर ऐसा हुआ क्यों, इसकी जांच तो होना ही चाहिए।
The opposition is raising doubts over the plane crash. You just heard them there. The BJP on its part is calling all this talk vile and baseless. They say this is nothing but vulture politics.
ये स्टेटमेंट घटिया स्टेटमेंट है, निराधार है। ये जो शोक की महल चल रहा है, इसकी बीच इस तरीके से टिप्पणी करना ये शर्म का बात है। सेम ममता बनर्जी,
ममता जी की बड़ी रिस्पेक्ट करते थे, बड़ा स्टॉलवर्ड लीडर समझते थे, लेकिन जो आज उन्होंने किया है, मेरी ख्याल से मेरे मन में तो उनके प्रति कोई इज्जत नहीं रह गई। इन्होंने वो एक ऐसी जहर, एक ऐसा केमिकल पॉइजनस उनकी फैमिली में, उनको चाहने वाले लोगों में डाल दिया।
ये अज्ञानी महिला है, इनको इनकी बुद्धि जो है सटिया गई है। ऐसी दुखद घटनाओं पर, ऐसी संवेदनशील घटनाओं पर ऐसी बात करना उनको शोभा नहीं देता।
Now, ladies and gentlemen,